Despite ample data indicating a general upward trend in home prices across the country, there remains a significant portion of the population that's a little apprehensive about a potential future downturn. According to a recent survey by Fannie Mae, 23% of consumers anticipate a decline in prices over the next 12 months. That's nearly 1 in 4 individuals contending with such concerns, and you might be among them. To help alleviate these anxieties, let's explore what experts are forecasting for home prices, not just in the coming year, but over the next 5 years. Hi, Marni Kelce, Colorado licensed realtor since 2001. While a handful of expert opinions might not be sufficient to change your perspective, a more extensive group of experts could offer some reassurance. The Home Price Expectations Survey, otherwise known as HPES, from Pulsenomics is a valuable resource reflecting projections from over 100 economists, investment strategists, and housing market analysts. The latest quarterly release indicates a consistent expectation of home prices rising every year through 2027. Although the projected increase in 2024 is not as substantial as in 2023, it's crucial to note that home price appreciation is cumulative. In simple terms, if these experts are accurate and your home's value rises by 3.32% this year, it should also increase by another 2.17% the following year. For those concerned about potential price declines, the key takeaway is this. While prices may vary locally, experts project a continued nationwide increase in the coming years at a pace more aligned with the market's typical norms. So what does this mean for you? If you're still unconvinced, consider these numbers. They illustrate how the value of a typical home could change over the next few years using expert projections from the HPES. Let's take, for instance, a $400,000 home purchased at the beginning of this year. Factoring in the HPES forecast, you could potentially accumulate more than $71,000 in the household wealth over the next 5 years. To conclude, for those worried about potential home price declines, numerous experts assert the opposite. Nationally, home prices are expected to continue climbing, not just next year, but for several years to come. If you have any questions or concerns about the future of home prices in our local area, let's connect. Again, Marni Kelce, Community Market Leader and Realtor Extraordinaire. Thanks for watching.